Welcome to new Qbitronics. Smart Wi-Fi, mobile starter, controller and auto starter, single or three-phase home model. Introduction for system operation, Wi-Fi configuration. This is one-time configuration. Hold the green button on the device. The green Wi-Fi LED will blink. After that, remove your hand. Go to Wi-Fi in mobile. Refresh and pair the device to your Wi-Fi modem. Select Smart Configure. Password is password. Show more Wi-Fi name. Select particular Wi-Fi name and type password. We will provide device and token ID. Device ID Qwinda1. Token ID Qwinta1. Save. After save, power refresh the device.